Hello, welcome to Storytime with me.
And Dad.
So, we're reading this book called There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. If you know there's a bird on your head, do you see a bird making a nest to make eggs onto a tree, everything on the backyard of the tree, on the fence. So, let's read. There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Piggy! There's something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No? Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. They are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have three eggs on your head. I do not want three eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds. And a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Someone else. Why not? Ask them to go somewhere else. Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will ask them. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It works. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. How do you know there's a bird on your head? If you have bird, it will hatch a nest on it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.